What's up everybody? You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Jordan 4 RM. Let's go! We're going to be loosely lacing our Jordan 4 RMs to keep that shoe firmly on your foot and to stop heel slipping. So I'm going to put the shoe over there so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing the right shoe. I've already padded out the shoe to make sure that I'm going to get those nice broad loops going across, and we're going to start by taking the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. So just draw the lace a little way up, and then when you pass the lace across the front, just flatten it out between your fingers. Then we're going to bring the end of the lace down through that first hole on the inside of the shoe. So again, just pull the lace a little way up into the shoe, and then to make sure that our laces are the same length on both sides, we put the ends together and pull up. Just like that. So we're going to keep that bar there at the front nice and loose so we can set the tone for our lacing style. And we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the second hole on the inside. Catch the lace on your finger, and then that helped put a loop sitting above the hole, and it also helps you to straighten out those laces in case you get any twists. Then take the inside lace down through that second hole on the outside. And as you can see, if you bring it on your finger, you can untwist it before it goes down into the hole, like that. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the third hole on the inside. Then take the inside lace across to the third hole on the outside. And then to make sure that all your loops are the same width, just pull your shoe out gently like that, and it will just make sure that they're all sitting nice and loose. Then take the outside lace across to the fourth hole on the inside. Then the inside lace comes across to the fourth hole on the outside. Then take the outside lace, and this time we're going to, rather than going out, which would be typical, we're going to come down through that hole again. So bring it across the shoe and down through that last hole on the inside, which gives you a little bit of lace. And then the inside lace comes round and down through that outside hole, last hole. Again, just bring it all the way through. And then you're going to take that outside lace and you're going to take it out through that hole on the top. Now, because you've already got lace in there, you need to pull these over so you can get to the side of the hole there. So I'm just going to pull them with my two fingers together, and we're going to take it down through the back of that hole. So push it through like that. Make sure that you don't twist your lace as it goes through. Then take that inside lace and do the same. So we need to take those two pieces of lace and pull them out the way to get the lace through the back of the hole. So you might have to push through a little bit persistently like that. And then that goes down through that bit of plastic on either side. Now obviously you've kind of pulled on your laces, you just need to adjust them. So I'm just going to make sure first of all I've got these hanging out as much as I'd like that, and then I go back and I'll adjust the laces. So you just need to pull them back into shape, working your way up your shoe. Like that. And then these two loops that you've made are going to go behind the tongue, and they're going to sit on top of your foot. And the great thing about this way to finish off your shoe is that because you've got two laces coming out the same hole, there's no way that that lace is going to make its way back through, which you sometimes get with loosely laced styles. And the laces are nice and soft and elastic, so it's easy for that lace sitting underneath here to sit on top of your foot. So I'm just going to adjust them a little bit more, like that, pulling out your laces so you get the same amount of width to your loops across the shoe. So there you've got a sure way to keep your Jordan RMs securely on your feet. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Jordan 4 RMs loosely laced with a secure way to keep them on your feet. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.